There we go. Now we're on. Now that Sue's comfortable. Alright, I don't want to get ass views the whole trip except for Dee Dee.
Tomorrow anyway.
Right.
Yeah, really. Yeah, we both got Donna didn't give him a push. You're nice, Donna.
No pushing. No pushing. You need some. Tracy, pull up on his reins a little bit. Pull on his mouth a little bit. Yeah. Pull up, pull up. Keep it tight a little bit. There you go. Feel the difference? And there's Tuffy just a gating away in front. And Sue's on the best horse there.
There you go.
Well, he really wants to ride with this horse. He does. They're past the bunny. Well, we'd have to break him of the bond before you could show him, or that you could show that horse.
With a mini. That little mini thing, man, we're doing that like every weekend.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna hopefully I'm getting somebody in the picture. It's gonna be a very jiggly picture till they settle. All right, your foot is too far in the stirrup.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
I didn't move it since
The ball.
you put it in.
Yeah, it is. It's moving.
Follow your foot.
Follow your foot. Here, I'll videotape it, and then I'll know where it is.
Look at that. Look at the Simon sandwich over here.
Look how he rides. Look at that pretty boy. Look at that pretty boy. Then there's a flopping. See, that's not hard, is it? Pull him up a little bit in his mouth. Squeeze with your leg.
Squeeze it with your leg and right in the reins.
Yeah. Opposite of.